SADC also intervenes when there is large-scale violence between sections of the population or between the state and sections of the population, including genocide, ethnic cleansing, and gross violation of human rights.
I'm doing this video in response to some of you asking me, whether in my inbox or when you meet me in person, and you ask me, Kuti, are we having elections in Zimbabwe in August or in June? We are already in May, and there is no announcement of elections by SADC. And some of you, when I told you in December, including Bishop Kevin Nyamakanga, you attacked me on social media and you called me Murakash. You called me someone who's on ZANU-PF payroll. And I told you guys that you are going to be disappointed. You are going to be frustrated. This thing of SADC is not going to happen. You amplified it, but there was nothing there that was going to come from SADC. It is not just me alone, including my friend Zigo, warned you guys, warned you people that there is no election that is going to come from SADC. Yes, SADC was displeased with the election of 2023. Yes, SADC raised concern about the elections of 2023, but there is nothing that would SADC do to interfere with the politics of Zimbabwe. Now, I want you to go and watch the video that was done by Tafi the Man. He explained it in detail, in full detail. And I know maybe I'm not the best person to explain, but Tafi the Man, exceptional. He explained the roles of SADC and where SADC interferes. And if you look at the situation, whether it is the chabanguring and all these chabangus that is going on, it is not a crisis according to SADC. It's just, internal fighting that do not have any much bloodshed. If you look at our situation in Zimbabwe in 2008, that's when SADC came in. So go and watch the video. I've put it in the link in the description. Please go and watch that video and be educated on what SADC will do and what SADC will not do. Please stop hallucinating. Please stop giving each other false hope. If SADC was going to intervene, Nelson Chamisa was going to be the first one to champion it. Right now, we need something new, whether it is the blue movement or whatever. But please don't lie to each other and giving each other false hopes. We are already in May and there is no sign of elections from SADC. ZEC is not going to be supervisioned by SADC. It's a big fat lie.